Hello VIPs, this is Kiki from First Class Living and I am at Walmart. So I have a dollar back when you get 10 offers for my midweek moneymaker bonus, and I am still working on the bonus for the Super Bowl. So if you are new here, I just want to say welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. I'm so glad that you clicked on this video. Well, let's go inside and see what deals we can find. The first deal is on the Butterfinger candies. They are tagged for 88 cents, but mine rang up for 74 cents. Or you can get the 100 gram for 88 cents. Get back 25 cents on Ibotta, making them 63 cents each, or 49 cents if yours rings up for 74 cents. Ocean Spray Frescas Juice is $2.96. We have two rebates attaching to it, one for $1 and one for 20 cents any juice, making one of them just $1.76. Fresh Times panty liners are 88 cents. We have a 10-cent any feminine care rebate attaching to it, making them 78 cents. Mountain Dew 20-ounce drinks are $1.98 each. We have a $1.50 Fetch Rewards offer on this, $1.50 Fetch Rewards offer on this, $1 back when you purchase two, and then $2 when you purchase all four. Well, really just purchase these three, but that is going to make this just 48 cents each. The KY Warming Lube is $3.97. It's attaching to the $3 coupon in the coupons.com app, making it 97 cents. The $3 Ibotta rebate hasn't reset yet, so I'm unsure if the rebate will work on this one, but if it does, it will be free plus a $2.03 moneymaker. KY currently has a promotion for a $50 hotel credit with purchase. I talked about it a little in my last Walmart video. If you'd like the details, or here is the QR code if you want to scan for more details. The Chic Intuition Bamboo 3-count razors are $5.97. We have a $2 Ibotta rebate, and I scanned it on the coupons.com app and store, and a $3 coupon popped up, but I didn't realize it was for Target until I got home and submitted my receipt. So the final cost is $3.97 after the Ibotta rebate. There was a ton of clearance at Walmart, and we have coupons and Ibotta rebates to pair with them. So the Yardley soap is on clearance for 39 cents per bar. We sometimes get a coupon for them, but I couldn't find one, so I just picked up a couple anyway, because 39 cents is cheaper than the $1.25 tree. Ivory bar soap is also on clearance for 34 cents. Zest bar soap is on clearance for 53 cents. And I didn't find any coupons for these, but these are great deals. The Dove warm vanilla and sugarcane hand wash is on clearance for $1.39. We have a $1 Dove hand wash coupons and the 123 Unilever insert. That'll make them just 39 cents. Suave charcoal body wash is on clearance for 56 cents each. We have a $1 off of 2 paper coupon, and there's also a 50 cents off of 2 digital on the coupons.com app. So 2 of them will total $1.12. Use the $1 off of 2 coupon, making 2 of them 12 cents or 6 cents each. The Nivea Men Rock Salt Body Wash is on clearance for $1.59. We have a $3 off of 2 coupons, so 2 of them will total you $3.18. You'll use that $3 off of 2 coupon, bringing 2 to just 18 cents or 9 cents each. And my store only had 1, so I wasn't able to do the deal. Old Spice, the 25-ounce moisture with shea butter. The body wash is on clearance for $1.99. Picking up 3 of them will total you $5.97. We have a $5 back, or no, a $5 on 3 paper coupon and the PNG insert. That'll bring the cost for all 3 to just 97 cents or 32 cents each. Coast Pacific Force is on clearance for 44 cents. We sometimes get coupons for these, but I couldn't find one. But 44 cents is still a great deal. Listerine mouthwash is on clearance for $2.79. We did have an Ibotta rebate, but it was gone by the time I got in the store. And I didn't see any paper coupons, so $2.79 is the cost. Polydent Pro Guard and Retainer Starter Kit is on clearance for $2.86. We have a $2 paper coupon, or you can use the $2 on the coupons.com app. And we'll get back $1 on Ibotta, making them free and a 14-cent moneymaker. Colgate Whitening Plus Charcoal is on clearance for $2.81. We have dollar coupons, making them $1.81. We normally get free toothpaste at CVS or Walgreens, but if all you have is a Walmart in your area, this isn't too bad. Quip Oral Care is on clearance. I didn't see any coupons, so I signed up for their email, so I'll see what they send me that I can maybe pair with the clearance. Act Dry Mouth, the Honey Lemon Lozenges are on clearance for $2.98. We have a $1 coupon on the coupons.com app, or you can use the one in the Smart Source 130 insert, making them $1.98. Parodontics toothpaste is on clearance for $5.63. We have a $1 back on Ibotta, making it just $4.63. If this is your go-to toothpaste, you can grab you some savings. Better Allergy Relief Medicine is $6.27. We have a $6 Ibotta rebate, making them 27 cents. Also, it says on their website that for every one purchase, they will donate a life-saving medication to someone in need who can't afford it. So I think that's pretty awesome. Tom's of Maine Charcoal Deodorant is on clearance for $3.88. We have a $1 printable coupon and a $1.20 rebate back on Ibotta, making it $1.68. Degree Motion Scents Deodorant, the Apple and Gardenia scent, is on clearance for $1.28. And the lavender is on clearance for $1.74. We have a $1.25 coupon from the Save to 6, making the apple scent just 3 cents and the lavender scent 49 cents. Last 2 deals are on this Dove refills. They are $2.50 on clearance, regularly $9.98. And then we have the Secret deodorant. I can't confirm which one of these is $1.34. I attempted to scan it, but it didn't go over well. So if Secret is your go-to deodorant, we do have a $1 off of 2 coupons in the PNG insert, and maybe you can find some decent deals. The Chewy Fusions, the Alka-Seltzer, and the Lysol, those deals breakdowns are in my last Walmart video. I talked about in there how I broke my transaction up so that I could submit this receipt for my midweek moneymaker bonus. So those deals, these deals actually are broken down in my last Walmart video, but I share in there a $1 coupon. I did not use it because I didn't discover it until I was doing the video. So your totals will be $1 cheaper than mine. Also, I messed up. I scanned this in store and a $3 coupon came up. Please excuse me. A $3 coupon came up on the coupons.com app, and I didn't pay attention, and that coupon was for Target. So I purchased this for $5.97, but I'm only going to get $2 back, making it $3.97, which to me is an okay deal. I didn't have to have that. I probably wouldn't have gotten it if I had paid more attention. So please be mindful that coupons.com app coupon is for Target. It won't work at Walmart. And this can opener I picked up because we needed it. There's no deal or anything back on it. Other than that, everything else went fine. I did get back the $6 on Fetch Rewards for the Mountain Dew drinks. So that went great. I even got back points for the Alka-Seltzer and also the Lysol. So that deal went just as planned. And I also got back the $1.20 for the Times of Maine and 10 cents for the liners on Ibotta. I got back $9, $2 for the razor, $6 for the Better Allergy relief, and then $1 for the Polydent, and that was a freebie. And I did complete my moneymaker bonus, so that was awesome. And on Ibotta, I did get back the $1 for the Ocean Spray, 50 cents for the toilet bowl cleaner, $2 for the Alka-Seltzer, and 25 cents for the Crunch. Oh no, I picked up the Butterfinger instead. My son likes the Butterfinger, and then my Chewy Fusion. And then that 20 cents any juice ended up coming off my last transaction, which was fine because I knew I was going to purchase this anyway. So that is it for this haul. This is a total, excuse me, after coupons, this is a total of $50.71. I got back the $6 from Fetch Rewards. I also got back $6 on the coupons.com app, $2 for this, $1 for this, and then $3 for this. I was hoping that KY rebate on Ibotta would reset, but as of today, it has not. And if it does, that'll make this a money maker. But right now, it's just 97 cents, and my box is torn, but so I got back $6 on coupons.com, and I got back $14.75 on Ibotta plus the $1 bonus, so $15.75 brings the final cost to just $22.96. I got 20 items, so that's about $1.14 per item, and I am totally fine with my haul. Here's a look at my receipts. All coupons scanned just fine. That is it for this video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.